I'm at Connected Britain 2019 with Gerlas van den Hoven, CEO of Genexis. Gerlas, where do you see the key opportunities for the UK resulting from the rollout of high-capacity digital infrastructure?
Well, I think high-capacity infrastructure is a necessity everywhere in the world. So it's an opportunity to grow economy, but it's also a threat if you don't do it. Connecting to the world, having broadband is an essential service for the new economy.
And is full fibre a realistic goal for the UK?
It has to be. Everywhere in Europe, everywhere across the world, people are deploying full fibre. And if you want to limit yourself to a one-lane highway, that's the choice you make. But then you know that it will have consequences. So I think if Britain wants to keep up with the world, then yes, do full fibre.
And what's your predictions for the next 12 months?
You already see, everybody realizes, everybody knows full fibre is the end game. You see it here at the talks at the conference. And you see Britain picking up. So I think that's a very, very positive sign. I think Britain still has a lot to learn in terms of how to do it right. And so I hope they can benefit from a lot of the other examples that have been done throughout Europe where full fibre deployment is in full sway.
And can you tell us about the Genexis Wi-Fi Live concept and how it will benefit operators and consumers?
Yeah, because in the end, fibre is just an infrastructure, right? You don't build a road to have the road. You build a road to go from A to B. So in the end, it's the consumer that wants to benefit, and it's not just fibre to the side or just inside his home. It's connectivity to all the devices he has. So it's not just about fibre. It's about linking the fibre to all the applications, the Wi-Fi, and the connection to the television, the smartphone, the tablet, the IoT devices that the end users will be using in the coming years.
And what can Genexis offer in terms of products to contribute to the full fibre goals in the UK?
Well, I just brought a little example. It's an example of one of our products. And as you know, fibre installation is a hugely labor-intensive task. And at the same time, people have to stay home to do it. Nobody wants to stay home for half a day for the installer to come by. But if you can do it just as simple as this, you just click it on and do it yourself, right? And then you have your fibre installed. I think that type of technology and many other types of technology are going to help to reduce the labor costs, to speed up the deployment process, and of course to make the burden on the end user as little as possible, and even turn the burden into a very positive feeling. Hey, I can do it myself.
And why is an event like Connected Britain an important one to be involved with?
Well, nobody can do this on its own. We as a vendor can't do it on our own. There's open standards involved. You need to network, you need to talk to other suppliers, you need to talk to your customers. And I think by working together at an event like this, it's fantastic. You can see the atmosphere. It's busy. The hallways are too full nearly. So I think that's really, really good because it stimulates all kinds of exchange and that leads to better ideas.
Great, thank you for talking to us.
Thanks a lot.